I wanted to show you some options when it comes to drilling big holes into wood. So I needed a big project. This clock, does not have numbers. So I'm gonna show you how to drill them the right way. This is called a hole saw, and it does exactly that. It cuts a hole in the wood, but it can only go so deep. Your other options are paddle bit and a forstner bit. This one is all about speed, and this one is all about accuracy. The tendency is gonna be to blast through this thing and try to drill a hole really fast. When you do that, you're gonna get some blowout on the bottom. To prevent it, use a scrap piece of wood like this and clamp it underneath. Now, when you go to drill, safety glasses on. Don't just hit the gas and go. Slowly let the drill bit cut. Then once you have a hole established, you can tell that I'm rocking it back and forth to apply pressure to different sides of the hole. I know I'm getting close to the bottom, so I'm gonna just slow it down a little bit. And I'm through. I can tell because my piece of scrap wood has come through. Because we used that piece of scrap wood, there's no blowout in the back. Whoa, whoa, okay. So next time you start a new project, you'll know how to drill holes the right way.